Hello everybody, my name is Lyle Applegate and I am the owner of Applegate's Custom Countertops. Our company is located in the heart of the high desert in Southern California, and today I'm here to showcase some amazing abrasives from SurfPrep. My company has been fabricating acrylic solid surface for the last 20 years, and over the last decade, we've been exclusively using SurfPrep sandpaper. We really try to stay ahead of the curve as far as tooling, whatever high quality abrasives have been available to us, and I'm gotta tell you, SurfPrep is at the top of their game, and these are the most amazing abrasives that you can use on this product. So what we're gonna showcase today is going from a pulled seam on acrylic solid surface and give you a schedule that's gonna produce a really nice matte finish. So we're gonna go through the steps with you, so stay tuned, it's gonna be amazing. All right, so what we're showcasing today is a 5-step sanding schedule for acrylic solid surface, and this sanding schedule would be used for things like sanding out a pulled seam, either in a shop or or on a job site, maybe a solid surface that's got some damage, some scratches, that kind of thing. So we're gonna be starting with some more aggressive steps to take out initial damage. We'll take out that sanding step, and then we're gonna go down to the finished product, and it's gonna leave us with a really nice matte finish. So let's go ahead and we'll get our sander set up and we'll start that process. All right, so the sander that we're gonna be using today for this finish schedule is the SurfPrep brand. It's an electric ray 6-inch variable speed sander with a 3/32 orbit. And I'm just gonna briefly go through how you turn it on and how you operate it. So we're gonna turn it on, there we go. You're gonna hit that, and then the variable speed is just a plus and minus button here. It's real easy to use. And they also have a really good dust extraction system that combines with the sander to keep your workspace nice and clean. So let's go ahead and get it going. So all of these abrasives that we're gonna be using today all have holes, and as you can see here on the sander, they also have holes that match up, and it hooks up to the POV8 dust extraction system, and it really does help to keep your workspace extremely clean, keeps excessive dust from building up on your work surface, and it also keeps you safe from breathing a bunch of dust that you don't want to be breathing into your lungs. So we're gonna hook it up now, we're gonna put this on, and we're gonna start the first step. All right, so the first step that we're gonna use here is the White Lightning 150. It's a 6-inch, and this is a pretty aggressive first step. It's just gonna knock down, if you have glue, like from a seam, or if you have a bad scratch, this is gonna take out that initial first damage. So this is the first step we're gonna start with. All right, so the next step we're gonna use is the Blizzard Film 220 grit, and this is just gonna take out the previous step that we just did. Again, everything is 6-inch and everything has holes for dust collection. So let's get this step done. So the next step is going to be the SurfPrep ProFoam very fine grit, and this is going to be the equivalent of about a 320. So this is getting into the finish now. You can see this product really coming to life. The seam looks great. So we're going to do this, and then we're going to finish it off with the last step. All right, so our final step here is going to be the Maroon non-woven. This is gonna give us our very final shine, and we can really see this thing come back to life, so let's do it. All right guys, so piece is done. The seam looks great. You can't even see the seam. Came out with an absolutely beautiful, equal, even matte finish on this piece. If you want to kick the finish up a little brighter, a little shinier, SurfPrep also makes a white non-woven, and they also make a gray. So you can view their finish schedules, and they'll tell you a little bit more in detail, but this will really help to give you a nice either semi-gloss, or you can even get up to a gloss finish on acrylic solid surface.